The fourth rule of Noon Saakinah and Tanween is Ikhfaa. Ikhfaa means to hide. The letters of Ikhfaa are the remaining letters of the alphabet that are not used in the previous three rules. So whenever I see a Noon Saakinah or Tanween followed by the remaining letters of the alphabet, I must apply the following four steps. The first thing I do is I hide the Noon. I hold for 2 counts with Ghunna. I go to the articulation point of the following letter, and I make the Noon either thick or thin depending on the letter after it. So for example, we have a Noon Saakinah followed by the letter Shin. This will be read as Min Sharri. The next example, we have a Tanween followed by the letter Dhal. This will be read as Naran Dhata.